What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Hi, how the hell are you doing? All right, today we're gonna dive into a brand new eyeshadow palette. I gotta show it off right away. So first of all, today was not planned. I was gonna film something totally different. I was about to mix 25 foundations, primers, and concealers and fuck up my whole face. Do we still wanna see that video? Let me know. But besides that, I was sitting down to film and Nate pops into my filming room and he goes, "Baby, I found something that you need to review that you don't know about." And I was like, "What, your dick?" And he goes, bam, and he hands me this palette and I was like, Nickelodeon. First of all, I am a 90s baby. I grew up literally watching Rugrats every morning. Before school, I was addicted to cartoons. I love Nickelodeon. Like, this is such a nostalgic moment for me. I'm staring at this like, holy shit. So when Nate handed me this, I was like, okay, Mr. Reviewer, you found something that I have never heard of. I didn't even know this existed. So today we're going to be reviewing the Nickelodeon 90s Nostalgic Eyeshadow Palette. I made that up, it's just called the Nickelodeon palette. I wanna see what the real tea is. So if you guys wanna see if the Nickelodeon eyeshadow palette is Jeffree Star approved, then keep on watching. So this palette, it's pretty big actually for what it is. I'm not mad at it at all. This comes with 10 eyeshadows. Now, this does say that it is made in China, so it's either gonna be really great or really bad. Now, this palette retails for $16.90. That is such a random number. Each pan has, it says 2 grams / 0.07 ounces per unit. Oh, maybe that's like that's the entire thing. So it says directions, external use only. Keep out of reach from children. Okay, girl. Now the ingredients are very minimal. It's like talc, mica, mineral oil, and a few things that you create to make eyeshadow. To me, there has to be more ingredients. It feels a little weird having literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 6 ingredients to create all of this shit. The palette does come saran wrapped. Only right here, which I find very weird, but it lets you open it and see inside. So it does come protected. I mean, I guess it does make sense, but the fact that other people can just open it is kind of weird for sanitary reasons, but hey. So when you open it, you see all the cartoons. We got Ren and Stimpy, we got Rugrats. There's just so many iconic moments. Like, oh my God, this is so cool. It looks to me, oh my God, that is so cute. All of the shade names represent parts of different shows, which I think is really cute. And it also comes with this brush. Girl, that brush looks so damn cheap. I am done, but let's open it. We don't want to be too judgmental. Now, first of all, I think that the packaging is amazing. I love the orange, I love all the cartoons. Besides that, I think it's time to open this up. How do we do that? Let's just, that easy, voila. Of course, we saw this is protecting it, bam. Ooh, and it has another protector, which I do like. Okay, I'm not mad at that. Okay, so we do have 2 protectors. Now the brush, you guys, oh, Lord Jesus, take the wheel. I wish you can reach through the screen right now and feel this. Okay, look at this brush, you guys. Oh. Okay, sorry. This brush feels so cheap. It's almost like it didn't need a brush, or if you're gonna make one, make a better synthetic. This literally feels worse than like a child's paintbrush. It like, oh, it hurts. Like, girl, that, We're gonna use this brush for one color just to see. I have to see why they even included this. Okay, moving on from that, we gotta see if the shadows are pigmented. Do they blend? Are they amazing? Let's find out. All right, now I will say this, the pan size is massive. I'm gonna take out this little MAC eyeshadow I have. Bitch, they coming for me. They got like beauty killer size pans up in here. So I love the shape of the pan. It's very cartoon, very Nickelodeon, so cute. Enough rambling. We're gonna dive into this palette, and I think the first shade that we're gonna do right here, it's called Oh Fish Sticks. Now, I think it's fair to lay down some primer. I do that with every video, obviously. So we're gonna go in with the MAC Painterly primer, of course, one of my go-tos, and we're just gonna take a little, ooh, she's getting low. We're just gonna take a little MAC synthetic brush and apply some primer right to the lid right there, because baby, we need to prime our lives. All right, now that we are primed, we're gonna take the same brush and dip in here to Oh Fish Sticks. Let's see, a little 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, bitch, there is 0 fallout. You better work, Nickelodeon. Okay, wow, I'm a little shook. All right, let's put this on the lid and see if we have any pigment. So I guess let's see what happens. Oh, okay. All right, that actually worked. I had no idea what to expect, you guys. I'm like, what the hell? First of all, this shade actually works. Amazing. All right, so looking on the back of this, it says that Viacom, of course, who owns Nickelodeon, did license this out, but it says that Taste Beauty LLC, which is a New York company. Now I Googled them and they do a lot of manufacturing for random stuff. There was like ice cream companies and all this stuff. So this company does put out a lot of beauty random products for other companies. So who knows if the rest of the shades are gonna be poppin', but so far this one is not bad. So let me just finish this on this side and let's see if the other colors work. Now we're gonna take a little Gucci eyeshadow blending brush and we are going to dip into shade Hi Ho Diggity. It is this macaroni and cheese orange right here, and let's see. Ooh, that one has a lot more fallout. Not bad, but look at the brush, baby. It is coated. God, I just wanna like dip in again. I have to stop. Okay, now let's see how this is gonna look. We're just gonna pop this right into our crease and let's be really dramatic here. We have no eyebrows. We're just trying to live. We're just trying to survive on this planet. Oh my God, pigment. What the hell? Okay, orange. I am not mad at this at all. Now it's blending nicely with that kind of like taupey white shade. Oh, fish sticks. So I'm just gonna be really dramatic and take this all the way in and just leave space on my lid for something else. Maybe we'll buff in some of that pink. I love a pink and orange moment. So the only thing I'm seeing is as I'm blending out, it's not like sticking fully, if you guys can see what I'm seeing. Like it's not bad, it's just kind of getting a little, let me blend some more and see what happens. Not too bad, I'm just trying to see if the shadows are mixing well together. Now I'm gonna take this, we're gonna barely dip into that, and we're just gonna go right over that orange. Let's soften her. All right, we are looking fucking orange. We are definitely fully orange. Okay, you guys, the only thing I'm noticing is that when you're blending these out, they're a little low quality in the sense that like, it's gonna be a little tricky because my lighting's crazy, but you see how this is really dark here, and when you try to blend up, it doesn't blend the best, but it's not that big of a deal because I'm blending my life away and I'm making it work. It's just a little more difficult than normal, but hey, it's not bad. Okay, moving on. Now I was thinking of dipping into, God, there's just so many options. I mean, look, we have full orange, you guys. It's like pinks and probably this one. Let's try this one. This is called All Dolled Up. Very pink. So let's see if that one wants to work, and maybe I'm just gonna pack that on my whole lid. Maybe, no, maybe let's just put it right in there. I wasn't sure what kind of formula this is. It appears to be like a metallic, but I guess we shall see, all right? So let's dust a little off. Oh, most of it came off. Now let's just place that right in here and let's see what happens. Is it April Fool's? Because where the hell is the pigment? The orange one was like, holy shit. This one, okay, y'all see what I'm seeing? Okay, and look at the mess this pink one made, just for the record. Girl, I'm blowing on my palette. I'm gonna try by finger, literally, which I hardly ever do, but with foiled shadows, I've been doing that more and more now that I have short nails. It's a lot easier. Okay, this is almost bunching up on my finger, but let's just press it near my lid and let's see what happens. Okay, so All Dolled Up is flopping, not living for that shimmer shade at all. I'm kind of offended, like it's a pink shadow. I was like, this is the one. Let's pop it over here to make it even. Okay, this brush is working slightly better, but not really. Okay, we are going in with our finger one more time right here, guys. Like it looks cute for a second and then it kind of like evaporates. Like, did Houdini make this palette and they didn't label him as the creative director? All right, I gotta dip into another shimmer shade. This shade is called I'm Beautiful, and I swear to God, if there's no pigment, first of all, I have no highlighter on. I feel naked. I feel ugly. I feel disgusting. Okay, for real though, let's try this. I wanna try this as a highlighter because that pink one was so offensive, my brain can't compute what's happening. Okay, we're gonna go in with this little Anastasia highlighting brush, and let's go in with I'm Beautiful. Okay, I mean, I'm not mad at this as a highlighter, baby. Ooh, she looks cute. Nickelodeon, you better get that fucking glow. All right, so I'm finessing this into the skin. It looks a little chalky in person, but not that bad. Like, I would probably wear this. Ooh, the fallout on this one. My whole nose is like a disco ball. Jesus. Well, we're getting through it. I think the highlight's kind of pretty. It's like streaky now. It like didn't stick to my face. That is so weird. So I think we should dive into another matte shade. I wanna try this one, You Idiot, right here with, that's cute. Sorry, the fallout, y'all. All right, let's grab a little brush right here and we're gonna dive into the dark burgundy, You Idiot. So we're just gonna take this color and put it in the crease where that pink should have stayed, and it let me down. Okay, I mean, the matte shade's cute. Not tested on animals. I was seeing if this formula is vegan. It might be. There's no carmine or anything to make the red shades like work better, but there's also no red dyes, so I'm confused of how they made this color. But regardless, it's working a little bit better than that pink one because, oh my god, that... All right, you guys. Ooh, it looks pretty from far away, but once you get closer, it's a little messy. Okay, let's keep moving on and trying a few more shades. I think I want to try to put in some sort of color right in there. I mean, I would probably keep it really light and white, but we do need to try out some more shades. Now, this blue one is speaking to my name, but blue and orange, we all know. I'm scared to test this purple, you guys. I gotta be honest. I'm so scared of these shimmer shades. Like, I gotta touch one. Let's try it. Okay, that looks pretty there, but maybe it's because of my finger. Sometimes, you guys, when you swatch things with your fingers, they can look great, and on the lid they look awful, or vice versa. Like, I'm not that mad at that, but it just feels a little thin. Like, sheer, I guess. Like, it kind of looks opaque, and then when it settles, it's like, eh. I also want to try this stunning green one. It's called Rar. And it looks to actually have glitter in it, whereas the other ones don't. This one is, if we zoom in here, you can actually see the glitter. So I'm gonna take this clean finger right here. Let's go right here. Oh. Okay, let's try this. I'm not doing this. You guys, we're gonna zoom in right here on this finger. This is what's going on right now. Now, I know, trust me, even some of my shadows, when you swatch them with your finger, they can look a little weird because they're really meant for brushes and on your lid. I get that. So I'm gonna try this, but I was very shook at how that looked. I'm like, oh, alrighty. So we're gonna take a little Tom Ford blending brush and let's first of all try this because maybe this needs a brush. So let's go in. Let's see what this looks like on. Okay, let's try that again. I am digging in this fucking pan right here, you guys. Digging. Okay, let's try it again. My powder brush really blended that out. Okay, we're gonna try another shade. First of all, since I'm just on a roll, we gotta try out this stunning brush that came with the palette. I think we should use a matte shade or maybe, oh, I mean, we're kind of running out of matte shades. Besides this blue one, you guys, that's it. We've used this one, and that one. And the rest of them are all shimmers, which I'm a little shocked at the shimmers, I gotta be honest. Okay, let's go in with this one. This is called We Loves Me. Okay, and let's go in with that. Oh, the brush maybe holds a little bit of pigment. Okay, girl. Let's see what happens. I mean, this with the brush, it actually shows up better than that green one. I'm kind of shocked. Let's go in with the finger. Okay, we're gonna go in right there. Okay, I mean, this review is a little shocking. We're gonna go in a little bit more with the finger on the lid. Did that invisible bitch from Fantastic Four create this? Alright, you guys, I think I'm ready to give my final thoughts, but I am dying to try this blue, and I feel like if I don't try it, you guys might hurt me. So let's go in here. There's this shimmer has rained down on everything. It's like, girl. Ooh, okay, so the blue looks to be like, we might have some pigment here. Of course, there's a little bit of kickback, but not like anything crazy. Now I'm gonna take this blue and I'm gonna put it under, let's do this side because that green is just offensive. And let's just see what happens. Okay, I mean, it's something. I mean, at least there's pigment on this one, right? All right, we're just gonna put this blue right over that green. I'm having a rough time, and I normally don't say that unless the camera's off and I'm in bed, but fuck, man, this is just, ooh. I was gonna do lashes, I was gonna do a liner, I was gonna do mascara. Now I just wanna go home and cry. So, all right, you guys, let's give our final thoughts. Okay, I didn't expect this. I did not expect this outcome. All right, let's just break it down. The Nickelodeon eyeshadow palette, I had high hopes, baby. For $16.90, I said, girl, this formula is gonna work. It's gonna be sickening. It probably should have been like $10 or $8. Now the packaging is literally 10 out of 10. Like, they killed it. It looks like a cassette. It's fucking cool. There is cartoons everywhere. The orange background of the palette below, behind the shadows is amazing. Everything is really cool aesthetically. When Nate gave me this, I was like, oh my God, gagging, living, breathing, deceased, cremated, quaking, shaking, you know the drill. But after playing with this, I've realized that they maybe should have done an all matte palette. The matte shades, for the most part, were great. Obviously the blue looks cute on camera. I'm looking in the monitor, but overall, it's not like rich in pigment. Like, to me, it still looks a little like airy or faded, or if you were to touch it, oh, it actually doesn't really come off. It's kind of shocking. I'm like, let me try to rub it away. Barely. It's just not like rich. It's just not as pigmented as I would have loved. Now the shimmer shades, metallic, shimmer, frost, whatever they're calling it, they're a flop. They are not good at all. The fallout was extreme. I think this was kind of cute for a highlight, but it just went everywhere. It's like all over my lap, all over my face. Whew, it was rough. This pink one, I'm offended. Pink's my favorite color. I'm offended! The orange and that one were probably my favorites. The orange is actually really cute. The more that the orange is on, I don't mind it at all. I think that You Idiot was really cute, the dark kind of wine color, but everything else, oof, I just cannot. So I paused the video and I said, where did Nate buy this? And he goes, oh, I bought it at Hot Topic at the mall in Topanga. And I was like, baby, Hot Topic is selling this? I know that Hot Topic has makeup, it is very lackluster, but I had high hopes for this. I thought maybe Hot Topic would find a new lab or something, and I'm highly disappointed. I'm such a 90s, I mean, I am a 90s kid. I love Nickelodeon so much, but I'm speechless, you guys. I'm like trying to find something nice to say, and I just can't. I mean, you guys saw the shadows perform. It was bad. So I do have to say that the Nickelodeon eyeshadow palette is not Jeffree Star approved. Like literally a Maybelline palette or an e.l.f. eyeshadow palette from the drugstore had better pigmentation and payoff than this. I think the mattes were great, like I said, but there's only 4 mattes and I'm like, I can't even count, I'm so shook. There's 7 out of 10 shimmers, so I think that should have went the other way. And whoever made this, and if you're watching this, please work on the metallic formula, because girl, I can't believe you even approved that to put this in here. But all right, you guys, I actually had a lot of fun trying this. I love just staring at this. I think it looks so cute. Is it worth $16.90? No, it ain't. Lower that price point. I can't, I'm done. All right, you guys, I'm sad. I'm actually sad. I'm really upset that this didn't work. This one's going in the drawer. My voice just cracked. I'm upset. All right, you guys, thank you for watching today's review. I gotta put my hood on. I'm sad. I don't like it. All right. Well, I'm gonna go smoke away my sorrows, and I will see you on the next video. Bye, guys.